Today I'm going to show you how to take public data and put it into the dRILLNOMICS Excel file to then use in dRILLNOMICS web-based software. As you can see, I'm currently at the Texas Railroad Commission map site where I can pull well data from this public source. I'm going to go ahead and pull a well south of Midland, right kind of in the Ector, Midland, Upton, Crane, Four Corners area. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of wells here. I'm going to identify those wells. We'll just take this one for instance. Looks like this one was drilled by St. Mary Land and Exploration Company. So we're going to go down and we're going to do a production data query. You can see that it looks like this well started producing in February 2014. So we're going to go ahead and download that data. State of Texas does us a big favor and basically gives us all the information for the well. And so over here I have the dRILLNOMICS Excel upload format, which is available on the dRILLNOMICS homepage. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and keep this format at the top. But we're going to start putting in the information here. So this is the Julie Beth well. So we're going to go ahead and type in Julie Beth. St. Mary is the operator. We can go ahead and put in the API number if you'd like to, but you don't have to. And we're just going to put the well number as 1. Again, you can fill those in if you want to, but you don't have to. Next we're going to go, and we see that the first date of production was February 2014. So we're going to go 2/1/2014. And we're going to go drag that down. Basically get monthly data. So then we're going to take the production directly from the information they give us, and we're going to type it in. So basically you're matching your production to what the state of Texas has. So we've got oil production here, gas production here, and then just month number here, 1 through however many months you have. Okay. Now we're going to delete this, and we can get a second well. So we'll go back to the Texas data, we'll go back to the GIS viewer, and we're going to pull another well right in the same area. Go here, do the same thing. Production data query, download that production data, open. Now we've got our next well. This is another Julie Beth well. So for this, I'm going to say it's the Julie Beth number 2. And really all you do is you input this data directly below the data for the first well. So again, we're going to do the same thing here. Take the months and the production data from this well. They started producing at the same time, so that makes it easy. Take our oil production, put it in, oops, wrong. Oil production and put it in here. Gas production here, and then months. Just like above. Alright. Don't worry about the colors here, those are just for illustration purposes, but really all you need to know is that you take your well number, name, operator, and API number in this row. From that same row, you start with the production data by month. You type in the month number of production next to the month, just 1 through 12. Then you're going to type in your oil production for those months and gas production. And as soon as, if you want to add additional wells, you just do it directly below in the exact same format. So we'll go ahead and save this to our computer. say it's the Julie Beth file. Okay. Now we'll actually go into dRILLNOMICS. We'll go ahead and log in. Add a new project. This is Julie Beth. We'll go ahead and do a non-producing model because we're using these wells to evaluate a new well. We'll select our files. Julie Beth file right there on my desktop. Open. Files uploaded successfully. And as you can see, we've got our production data right there. Here's the two wells, our Julie Beth number 1 and Julie Beth number 2. Thanks, and look forward to more demos.